Dear student, today we are going to solve one more question from the lesson pair of linear equations in two variables from the exercise 2. Exercise meaning have not written exercise 3.1. This is the exercise 3.1. In that third question on comparing the three ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, check whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Let us move forward to this problem. This is the given equation 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y is equal to 7. 9x minus 10y is equal to 40. So here the two equations, standard formula, we have to convert into the standard form. Converting into standard form or general form, that is 3 by 2x. This is equation number 1, this is 2. 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. And next one 9x minus 10y minus 14 is equal to 0. ಒಂದು ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲೇಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇವಾಗ a1 b1 c1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. a1 ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 3 and 4 ಅಥವಾ 1 and 2 ಅಂತಾನೆ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಇದು ಬರೀಬೇಕಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. a1 is equal to 3 by 2, b1 is equal to 5 by 3 and c1 is equal to minus 7. Next, from this equation, a2 is equal to, what is a2 value? X coefficient is 9. Then b2 is equal to minus 10. The coefficients of 1. And next, c2 is equal to minus 40. Next, compare the ratios. a1 by a2, then b1 by b2, and here c1 by c2. So, what is a1? a1 is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 whole divided by 9. Next here b1 5 by 3 upon minus 10. Next c1 is minus 7 divided by minus 40. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್, ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದನ್ನ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಸೊ 3 by 2 into 9 reciprocal is 1 by 9. Next 5 by 3 into minus 10. Reciprocal is minus 1 by 10, minus 1 by 10, minus 1 by 10. Next minus by minus is plus. So 7 ones are 7 twos are. Last c1 by c2 ratio is 1 by 2. So in this calculate 3 ones are 3 threes are. So 3 ones are 3 threes are. So it gives here 1 divided by 6. a1 by 8 is 1 by 6. Next here cancellation 5 ones are 5 twos are. ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus ಇದೆ, minus into plus is minus 1 by 6. And next, okay, next 1 by 2. So clear, a1 by 8 is 1 by 6, b1 by b2 is minus 1 by 6 and c1 by c2 is 1 by 2. So ಮೂರು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ. So a1 by a2 is not is equal to b1 by b2. So here a1 by a2 is not is equal to b1 by b2. Okay. So see here in this case 1 by 6 is not is equal to 1 by 6. So from above a1 by a2 is not is equal to b1 by b2. ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. And b1 by b2 is not is equal to b1 by b2. So under this condition we can say that the given pair of linear equations has ಯುನಿಕ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇಷ್ಟ ತಾನೇ, ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನಲಿ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ which has what unique solution, so it is consistent. Okay, next problem. What is next problem? Let us see fourth sum. What is fourth sum? We are all studying, I think so. Every day you have to practice Yes, fourth sum, 5x minus 3y is equal to 11. 5x minus 3y is equal to 11. Yes, 5x minus 3y is equal to 11. Next, minus 10x plus 6y. Minus 10x plus 6y is equal to, plus 6y is equal to minus 22. Minus 22. Okay. ಈಗ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್, 5x minus 3y minus 11 is equal to 0. Next, minus 10x plus 6y plus 22 is equal to 0. So this is equation 1 and 2. ಅಥವಾ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು 1 and 2 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ you can take these two as equation 3 and 4. Next, again, what is a1? A1 is 5. What is b1? Is minus 3. C1 is equal to minus 7. Correct? Once again you have to check. 5 minus 10 minus 7. Next, A2 is equal to minus 10. B2 is 6. C2 is equal to 22. So, ಮೊದಲು ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿನ ಲೇಟರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ A1 by A2, B1, B2, C1 divided by C2. So, it is minus 5 by 10. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಮಗೆ minus 1 by 2 ಬಂತು. 5 1s are 5 2s. Next, minus 3 by 6. B1 is minus 3. It is B2 is 6. So 3 1s are 3 2s are. So here minus 1 by 2. Okay, this is A1 by A2 value. This is B1 by B2 value. Next here minus 11 divided by 22. So answer 11 1s are 11 2s are. So ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ minus 1 by 2 ಬಂದಿದೆ. So ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ? All the three ratios are equal. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So in this case, the two lines are coincident to each other. Alva, which has what? Infinite solution. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಟು ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಓವರ್ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ which has what? Many infinite solution. So the given pair of linear equation ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, if I am telling very fast, you can give the suggestion. Yes, okay. 4 by 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. Next one, fifth sum, 4 by 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. Plus 2y is equal to 8. Next, 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. In the 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. So convert into standard. Convert into standard form. ಬರೆಯೋಣ. 4 by 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Then 2x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, converting into the standard form here. Let us check. So what is A1? A1 is 4 by 3. B1 is 2 plus 2. Any conclusion? You can comment. Next, C1 is equal to minus 8. Is minus 8. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋಣ. A2 is equal to 2. B2 is 3 and C2 is equal to minus 12. So A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. ಒಂಥರ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So okay, check. 4 by 3 plus 2 minus 8, 2 plus 3 and minus 12. Okay, A1 by A2 ratio, B1 by B2 ratio, C1 divided by C2 ratio. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? A1 is 4 by 3. 4 by 3 divided by A2 is 2. Next here, B1 is 2, B2 is 3, C1 is minus 8 and C2 is minus 12. Let us calculate here. Next coming part, next part. Next, 4 by 3 divided by 2. 4 by 3 divided by 2 should take the reciprocal here. 4 by 3 into. But the reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. Next, this is B1 by B2 is already is evaluated. 2 by 3 and next here minus minus cancel. 4 2s are 4 3s are. 4 2s are 4 3s are. So final It is 2 by 3. ಅಂದರೆ b1 by b2 ಮತ್ತೆ c1 by c2 equal ಇದೆ ಇವಾಗ. ಇವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. Here 2 ones are 2 2s are. So this is 2 by 3. So a1 by a2 4 by 3 into, yes, okay. Yes, this is also 2 by 3 and which is equal to b1 by b2 and which is equal to c1 by c2. Three ratios are same. Okay. So therefore, okay, then a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, that is equal to c1 divided by c2. So in this case, the pair of linear equation has what? Infinite solution, no? Which has what? Infinite solution of theta. So this equation is what? Consistent. Okay. ಯಾವಾಗ inconsistent ಇರುತ್ತೆ? When the two, I mean the first two ratios are equal. I mean a1 by a2 when it is equal to b1 by b2. Then only we say that the two equations are inconsistent. Okay. I hope you understand this problem. Yes. Please do share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.